Hi and a very warm welcome back to my channel. My name's Danielle Collins, world leading face yoga expert, and I love sharing natural holistic techniques, most of all to make you feel good, but also they help you to really look good as well in a natural and holistic way. So we're going to work the cheek area today. So this is really good if you're starting to notice a little bit of loss of volume in the cheeks. Maybe your cheeks look a little bit saggy, maybe they look a little bit dull, maybe even find that you have excess bloating or fat around that area. All of these techniques are going to help to improve the skin tone, but they're also going to help to really tone those muscles under the skin. So you want to make sure you've got clean hands, a clean face. If you have a little bit of Fusion by Danielle Collins serum, this is perfect because it gives you just the right amount of glide for the technique. So apply that now and then bring your hands almost into a prayer shape just over your nose. You're going to then just bring your hand down gently and then just move them up so they come just here to the edge. And you're going to take that again. So you're going to come down and then move up. So your down action is quite light here, but your up action has a little bit more force in it. You always want to work to your own level with all of these techniques. Be as intuitive as possible. If anything ever doesn't feel good, then you change it or you stop it. But all of my techniques are designed to be really gentle, and each of the ones I'm showing you, you can do about 1 minute per day. That's a really nice guide to how long you do each technique, and try and focus on your breath too. So try and breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Let your abdomen rise on the in-breath and fall on the out breath. So that's just warmed up the cheeks a little bit. Then you're going to take 2 fingers, just come under your cheekbones here and then flick all the way along and then lifting off, and take that again, flicking along, then lifting off. This is really helping to boost that circulation. We're bringing all the fresh blood and nutrients and oxygen up to the skin surface. It's going to help to brighten the skin. It's going to help with that natural detoxification. Then you just take your fingers into little hooks and come underneath and lift off. And again, we're aiming to do each of these for about 1 minute each. Really gentle. And again, if you've got a little bit of the Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturizing serum, you'll find that it glides so beautifully here, and also you're helping the product get a little bit deeper into the skin. The lovely thing about this serum is the molecules are small enough to get right into that middle layer of skin, which is where your collagen and elastin connective tissue lie, which is where you want it to get to. That's how you're really going to help with that collagen and elastin production. So the combination of the serum and the massage is wonderful. Okay, so let's do a nice lifting technique to work the muscles under the skin. Puff both cheeks out full of air. Bring your hand here over the lips and use it to smooth any lines which may be created. So you'll go, you take your other hand and you tap. Tap all the way over the cheek area. And then the other side. So we're aiming for about 30 seconds each side. If you feel easy to do 15 each and then repeat again, you can. So keep going whilst I'm talking here. You can repeat both sides again if you like there. And this is really working with those muscles deep under the skin. As we strengthen and tone the muscles, we're really building that firmness in the muscle, that lift, and it's going to help to lift the whole cheek area. So then take 2 fingers and thumb and just pinch all the way over your cheek area. Really nice for helping to brighten the cheeks. It's really about circulation, but also energy as well. When the energy is very stagnant in this area, we notice how the muscles tend to just sort of tense up a little bit or even get a little bit weak. We also notice that we may lose fat or accumulate a lot of fat in certain areas. So everything's about energy and circulation. And then just come to that prayer position again, and we're going to finish off doing a few of those Take those lovely deep breaths again as you do this, and you can do this little routine every single day. Remember, all the muscles are connected, so it's really good to get in the habit of doing a full face routine every day if you can. But if you don't have time to do that and you just want to work one problem area, maybe it's the cheek area if you are watching this video, it's fine to also do that. So a few ways that you can enjoy face yoga. You can use my book, Danielle Face Yoga, packed full of 1-minute techniques for all areas of the face, plus loads of well-being advice, skincare advice, yoga advice. You can use my 10-day course, which gives you a full digital copy of my book and gives you a full face workout, 10 minutes a day over 10 days. You can use one of my apps, just search Danielle Collins on my app store, or you can do my lovely teacher training course if you'd like to teach these techniques to other people. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care.